Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into two pivotal space stories that could reshape humanity's destiny in the coming year. First up, the highly anticipated Artemis II mission by NASA. This groundbreaking venture aims to take humans on an unprecedented journey around the moon and back. Think of it as our leap into a new era of scientific possibilities. Unlike previous lunar expeditions driven by geopolitical rivalries, today's incentives are different. Our planet faces pressing challenges like climate crises and resource depletion, making it crucial to expand our horizons and seek new frontiers for sustaining life. Enter Artemis. Beyond grandiose dreams of becoming a multi-planetary species, this mission has practical aims: mining asteroids and lunar resources to alleviate environmental strains on Earth. Visionaries like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have their own angles, but the essence remains: exploration for survival. Now, let's shift focus to a looming threat: Kessler Syndrome. Remember, gravity? The film's premise, based on this theory, illustrates a catastrophic chain reaction in space, rendering it inaccessible due to debris collisions. Here's the kicker. Our orbit is cluttered with an ever-growing number of objects, while the sun's upcoming peak activity threatens satellites with powerful solar flares. Imagine our vital communication systems disabled, a digital setback of nearly a century. But hold on. Despite these risks, the vastness of space might just be our savior. Most satellites reside in lower orbits, and even in the worst-case scenario, debris would eventually burn up in the atmosphere. So, what's the takeaway? Let's root for Artemis to shine and hope Kessler Syndrome remains a footnote in our 2024 discussions. Yet, it's crucial to acknowledge and address its risks. Here's to a year of cosmic exploration, innovation, and a touch of caution. Remember, the future of humanity lies not just in the stars but in our careful stewardship of both space and our home planet.